Hi students, welcome to Tricks in JEE and NEET. This is from atomic structure. While deciding the constant values of radius of nth orbit or velocity of nth orbit, kinetic energy of nth orbit and potential energy of nth orbit, total energy of nth orbit, we will get confused. The trick is without confusion, you can get the formula. See, for radius of nth orbit, it will be he by pem. Now square the numerator part. It will become h square and e will become e square. But in numerator, out of one word, only one letter will get squared. So here h will get squared, and this e letter is not square, right? So in denominator it will be squared or it will become 2 times. Here we will square this. Okay. See, h is Planck's constant, h square, which is not squared is e, that will be epsilon naught by p means pi, e square and m. And here n square by z is we have to remember that we will apply that what will be the given in question. This is according to question, we can get that, and this you have to remember. And this is common formula is 0.529 into n square by z. Actually in question they will give mass is doubled. In that way, when like that question is given, mass is doubled or tripled, then we have to remember that constant formula. So to remember that constant formula, this is a trick. And velocity of nth orbit is z by n, and velocity of nth orbit it is e by he. For radius, he by pem, velocity e by he. Okay, now square it, e square. Here no letter is there. In numerator, no extra letter is there. So denominator it will become twice. That's it. Can I write? E square z by 2 h Planck's constant. E is not squared here. So it will become epsilon naught into n. And its value is 2.18 into 10 power 6 z by n meter per second. Okay, this is angstrom. And kinetic energy is, we know that half mv square, right? So whatever the velocity you get here, this is the velocity, right? This is the velocity. Square it and multiply it with 1 by 2 into m. Then you will get 1 by 8 mz square e to the power 4 by h square epsilon naught square n square. And its value is 13.6 into z square by n square electron volt. And potential energy is minus 2 into kinetic energy. Minus 2 into kinetic energy. So multiply the kinetic energy with minus 2. Then you will get minus 1 by 4 into mz square e to the power 4 by h square epsilon naught square n square. And the value is minus 2 into 13.6, maybe it will be 27.2. Okay, minus 27.2 into z square upon n square electron volt. And total energy is kinetic energy plus potential energy. So it will become, the value I am writing, minus 13.6 into z square upon n square into electron volt. All what you have to remember is radius and velocity. Radius is he by pem, velocity is e by he. Just remember this word and square it and you will get the formula. Here p means pi. Thank you for watching this video.